Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you my new GHome Wi-Fi smart wall outlet. So right now on my wall over here I have a regular socket that just plugs in to make it smart. I don't think that looks the nicest on my beautiful quartz. So I'd rather use this new one that will be integrated. It's got on-off buttons over here and it's controllable via app and smart devices. So inside the box comes this. Over here you got the outlet, you got wire nuts and screws, you got the cover, you have some labels to make things easier. They have instructions for how to install it, and they got instructions for how to connect it to Google Voice or Alexa, etc. Over here is the smart outlet. So over here you can see it's got these on and off buttons over here, for the top and bottom one. And on the bottom you have your three plugs, three wires for your ground, your neutral, and your power. So we're going to open this up and install it, and we'll see how it looks. So once you install it like this, you can either put back on, once you have this installed, you can either put back on the old cover with the screws, or you can use the one that they give you. This one actually pops on, so it's nice, there's no screw showing. I think I'll just leave the one with the screws on, just so it matches the rest of my outlets. So over here you can see we have it installed, and it is flashing blue, so it's ready to pair. So now you got to go download the Smart Life or Tuya app, and once you have it open, you just click the plus icon and click Add Device. So it will search for nearby devices, and it might find it, or you can just click Socket Wi-Fi. And over here it will start pairing. And you hear it clicking over there. You can see it's connecting and changing colors. Okay, you see it says Smart Wall Outlet. And we're going to click Done. So over here you see it has switch 1, switch 2. We could give a name to each one. Then over here you could click schedule, countdown, electric to monitor your usage. So when we, let me hold this up right here so you could see. So when you click switch 1, we'll turn off the top one. And you click switch 2, it does the bottom one. And you see how quickly it responds. It's like almost instantly. Right, so it's pretty cool. So this you could control with your voice also. You could set up with Google, Alexa, etc. Here it's got schedules. You can set a schedule for each one. You get timers. You can also go out. You can see electric. Over here is to your usage. Well, obviously we just set it up, so you're not going to see anything yet. And over here you could click on scenes, and you could create automations for when certain things will happen. The outlet could automatically turn on and off. So this is the GHome W01 Wi-Fi smart outlet. Setting up took about 10 minutes between finding the circuit breaker to turn it off and pulling out the old outlet, switching out, pulling out the positive, neutral, and ground, connecting it to the new one, and having it all set up and ready to go. So now you can see it's got nice and flat, and I don't have to use a smart plug that sticks out. It is convenient when you want something on the run, or if you don't want to have to deal with electric. But if you're willing to, either hire an electrician or do it yourself, this gives you a lot nicer, streamlined look than these plugs. So thanks for watching my video on the GHome W01 Wi-Fi smart outlet. If you got any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll try to help you out.